Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Kia Sportage brake light. First, gather your essential tools: a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for your safety. Checking your owner's manual will confirm the precise bulb type and wattage needed for your specific model, ensuring a perfect fit and proper function. Next, open your vehicle's rear hatch to reveal the two retaining screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove these two screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle's body. It should detach with a firm but steady pull, revealing the bulb sockets. Now, with the tail light assembly free, locate the brake light bulb socket. Twist this socket approximately 1/4 turn counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Then, to remove the old bulb, gently press it inward and twist it about 1/4 turn counterclockwise. It should pop out easily. Insert your new bulb by pressing it in and twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. To finish, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise to secure it. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into the vehicle's body. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly. Finally, have a friend press the brake pedal to confirm your new brake light is working perfectly. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.